I'm Gentry Lovejoy. I've been at Mitchell Tech for 2 years now. My career path is through Substation, and I like the energy field. I chose Mitchell Tech because I wanted a new start.
My name's Noah Reeve. I've been at Mitchell Tech for 2 years now. I would suggest Substation to anyone that wants an associate's degree in the electrical field. It's great job placement. There's always a need for electricity. I've enjoyed it, loved it. Instructors are great. Been the best choice I could probably make.
Substation energy is always going to be there. It's very efficient. It's what we use every day. There's a sense of pride of working with your hands and actually building the things, because you can look back on it and say, oh, I built that.
Substation offers a lot of career opportunities for me and allows a lot of flexibility. With your time, you also got to be willing to give it too. It's very rewarding in the long haul.
I'm being my best at Mitchell Tech.
I'm being my best at Mitchell Tech.